Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So we just finished cleaning the bus. Wow, you can actually see the floor. We put the insulation back in the walls.
We'll probably get the spray foam and go in these little gaps. I don't know if we did it wrong or if we just don't know what we're doing.
I'm gonna go with we did it wrong and we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, they're kind of the same thing.
They are. We didn't cut them to size properly, but we'll figure it out. It's fine. No worries. We also found this new gap hole thing.
Oh, the gap hole thing. Okay,
yeah. We found a hole, but it's kind of like a gap, not really a hole. But yeah, it's a gap in between the driver's seat and the pedals, I guess you'd say, on the floor right here. So we're gonna have to deal with that. Not fun. Finding all these holes is just not fun. But yeah, I guess it's time to finally put our wall framing up.
We're doing that by having a drill bit screw in through the wood, and these thingies, what I think they're called ribs. I'm not really sure. I see on the internet they call them ribs. So
ribs.
Whatever these things are, these puppies.
Yeah.
And then getting a screw.
Put them in there.
Put them in there.
We're using these
Deckmate
2-inch Star Drive coated screws. You want to use coated screws because it won't rust in the metal. It won't rust in the metal. Okay. So yeah, this is our wood. What did we get?
I don't know what they're called, to be honest.
We got
It's like 1 by 1.
1x1s. They fit nice and perfect.
It's actually, I think, a 2x2, which is
it's a 2x2, which ends up being like 1.5. But yeah, it's like a perfect fit right here.
So we're gonna put
branch
one
up here, all the way up.
We're going to put one here, one up here long ways, one above the windows long ways, and then
all the way down.
All the way up and down. Should work.
A lot of work today, so hopefully we get a lot of it done, or all of it would be nice, because
make up for the last 2 weeks of waiting for caulk to dry.
Yep. And
in that case, she'll probably have a coffee right now, and there's work to be done.
I actually am. I'm going to the store right now to get a drink, but I'm getting him one too. You know, I'm not selfish.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.